The highest caste in India have the most Russian DNA. Indian government never taught you about this, but it's published in Cell, one of the world's top science journals, which mapped the human genome. This study destroyed the entire foundation of caste system. It has tested over 2,700 Indian genomes and found that the higher your caste is in India, the more DNA you share with ancient warriors from Russia. Based on real genetic data, these warriors were called the Yamnaya. They lived on the grasslands between modern Russia and Kazakhstan. Around 2000 BC, they moved west into Europe and south into India. The same migration, the same people, two directions. When they entered India, they mixed with local populations. Over centuries, these groups that mixed most of them ended up at the top of the social hierarchy. The groups that mixed least ended up at the bottom. The caste system was built on top of this. Here is the part nobody talks about. Before the Yamnaya arrived, every single person in India was already a mix of two other ancient people. Ancient South Asian hunter-gatherers, those who lived here for 50,000 years, and Iranian farmers who crossed into India around 4700 BC, bringing agriculture with them. So the pure bloodline that caste was built to protect never existed. Not 4000 years ago, not 2000 years ago, not today. Every Indian body is already three civilizations arguing inside one person. The people who wrote the caste rules didn't know about DNA, but the DNA knew about them, and it has been quietly contradicting them for 4000 years.